and welcome to the instructional video for the MMBT Z45X HD digital measuring microscope. No matter which model you get, the menu and functions will all be the same. They'll just have different magnifications based on which lens you get. To start off, if you ever want to minimize your menu, just click on this little pin in the top left corner of the menu, and you'll be able to get to the full screen. If you have a measurement selected, you'll be able to go all the way across the screen as long as the measurement is selected. Go to the bottom right corner and press the pin to bring the menu back up. When you're in user mode, the calibration will be locked. Make sure you don't accidentally change it. And whenever you change magnification, make sure you select the right magnification lens you're on so that your measurements will be correct, so that the number on the outside will match the number in the drop down. Select this button to change the unit of measurement. You can do millimeters, inches, pixels, or more. Next, we will go through the different measurements. Click to select which measurement that you want. This will be a free-form line, so that you can click one point, then click your next point, and you can go anywhere you want on the screen. Click the end of the point when you get this icon, and you can adjust it if you made a mistake. You can also adjust it on the other end as well. To change the location of the notes, just press it and adjust it to the location you want it. Press the line, click on the line again, and you can move the whole thing. And again, you will always be able to use another line as long as the measurement is selected. Unclick to get back your cursor. To clear your screen but keep the measurements, press the red X button. To delete the measurements, click Delete All. This measurement here is the straight horizontal line. This will be a perfectly straight line even if I move this cursor up and down. Next measurement is the vertical line. It'll be perfectly straight even if I go left and right as well. So this was for perfect straight. The first one is for freeform line. To have a crosshair, click the drop-down icon next to this line. You can have a straight cross line, or if you want, you can do a scale. And if you change your magnification, the scale would increase with the magnification. To turn the crosshair off, just press the icon again. Next is a 3-point parallel. Press one point, then second, and then your third. Next is the 4 points parallel. Select your first line with 2 points, and then your next line with 2 points. Next is the angle. Select 3 points to get the angle that you would like. Both the inside and outside angle are measured. Next is the rectangle. Select 2 points to get the width, height, perimeter, and surface area. You can also do radiuses and arcs. Select 3 points to get your measurement. Circles are also available. Just select 3 points. You can also do a circle in a circle. Select your first circle, and then click to find your next circle. You can also do a polygon. Just click as many points as you want with your left cursor. When you are done, press the right cursor. You can also do a point circle. First select your point, then do your 3 points for your circle. Next is line to circle, 2 points for your line, and do 3 points for a circle. And next is your center circle, so create 3 points for the first circle, and do another 3 points for the second circle. And again, delete all to clear your screen. If you ever need to make any notes, press the T icon for the text. Click on the screen to get your cursor, then double-click to get the pop-up keyboard, and select your notes. We also have a keyboard option if you have a lot of note-taking. Click the notes to drag and drop from the screen. Next are your tools. This is the automatic edge detection. When that's selected, you can select your measurement, and it'll automatically find the edge as long as you're close within pixels. You'll watch as it'll drop, click back. When manual is selected, wherever you click will be the edge. Next, you can change the graphics. You can select the color of the line. You can change the color of the text. You can create bigger or larger text by taking the text size, and you can also change how many decimal points you want. Next is your output setting. Click to select how many units of measurement you want. If you just want the width, just select the width. You want all the area, perimeter, and height, select all 4. Next is the camera setting button. Click here to select the brightness. You can also use the scroll on your mouse to select and scroll to the desired setting. You can select your contrast, red, green, blue, the high def. You can also do automatic exposure, white balance, so if your colors are ever out of focus, just put a white paper underneath, click white balance, and it'll adjust the colors accordingly. Select the hertz. You can also flip your image left and right, or up and down. Change to color or black and white. Click default to go back to the factory settings. Next, this button will delete the measurements off the screen, the red X, but keep it in your menu. Next, the pause button will freeze your image. You can move your part and it'll stay on the screen. Press play to get the live video back. Next button will export your measurements to a CSV file. You are only able to save as long as you have a USB drive in the port. There's nothing that is saved on the machine. To take a picture, click the camera icon and save it to your USB drive. To save graphics on the screen, if you want to do no-go testing, or if you want a certain circle to stay, press Save Graphics. And that will and then if you ever delete them all and you want to bring that back up, go to your folder icon and view different images or pictures or graphics. For more settings, click the system settings. Video is if you only want the pictures to show. If you want your measurements to show on the screen as well, click Scene. To have the menu on the right show in your pictures, click Window. You can also change the type of picture that you want, JPEG, BMP, or PNG. Change the quality. You can change your cursor type from the standard to a cross. You can also change the menu from the left to right. And if you have any more questions, always feel free to email us at sales@metro-cad.com or call us at 763-595-7307. Thanks and have a blessed day.